Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Hales and I make videos about the books that I'm reading. So today I have another one of the Probably Smut Book Club boxes to unbox, and I am still coughing uncontrollably. So I'm just gonna try to get through this without coughing, because it's pretty bad, but I don't know what the book is, and you guys don't either yet. Okay, let's see. Do that. Oh, that's right. Okay, that's right. So the book is Pack Darling by Lola Rock, and it is both books. It is the entire duology in this omnibus that is gorgeous. This pink is so pretty. I am obsessed with the entire thing. The font is incredibly small, so I might end up reading this on my Kindle because it's small. We'll see how that goes. So then we also have the little annotation kit, which comes with a bookmark that has different like tab suggestions that you could do. That helps me out because I typically have to write down what I am going to tag everything as, and like the specific color in the front of the book when I annotate. So those are really pretty. I love the colors. It's gonna look really good inside of the book. We also have more of the book review sheets. I was wondering if we were gonna get more of these, so that is good. Because while this does come with the book club stuff, I will probably use this as my book journal for anything that I read. So it's good to have these, like the extra ones, because there's a couple of them in each of these packs, and there's a couple that came in the last one as well. And then there's a sticker pack that goes with the book as well. So there's this sparkly one that says Pretending I Live in the Omegaverse. There's one that says Falling for Fictional Characters. That'll probably go in my Kindle case. This is a checklist. I don't know what most of this is referring to, but I'm assuming that it's going to be things in the book. It's like things that one of the characters like. And then there is a boat. It is the SS Do Not Disturb, and it says don't rock the boat. And then we have a round one that says Emotional Intelligence of a Fucking Gummy Bear. So that's every man I've ever dated. And so what I'm doing with the book journal is I'm putting one sticker from each of the sticker packs for the books on the cover. So I am going to decide now which one is going to go on here. I think the gummy bear one is going to go on the book journal. So that'll probably go, I think I'm going to put it up in the corner. So that is on there now. And I love how high quality these stickers are. They're thick. They are super sticky. They stay in place really well. They're not trying to peel off. They're just fantastic. All right, so the journal is assembled. I have more of the book review pages in there, so I'm gonna set that aside. That's all that is in the box though. It is just the book club book and the stickers and the annotation stuff. So yeah, let's look through the book again real quick. Now that I have stopped coughing and I can do this a little bit more long term. It is super cute. There's a letter from the author bound into the front. The trigger warning page. And then it just goes right into the book. It is, yeah, very small font, which is fine. Like I'll deal with it. But yeah, that's, there's not like, well, okay. Yeah, there are flowers to be page breaks or like paragraph breaks, so that's cool. The back says she's our missing piece, and I'm sure I'll figure out at some point what the toothbrushes mean, but it looks like that. The cover is just gorgeous. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!